Hello, everyone. Today, let's explore Resemble.ai, a cutting-edge platform for AI-generated voice solutions. Resemble.ai offers a suite of tools including text-to-speech, TTS, speech-to-speech, S2S, voice cloning, and audio editing. With support for over 60 languages, it's designed for a wide range of applications. Now let's delve into the pricing plans. Starter. $5 per month includes 4,000 seconds of voice generation, one rapid voice clone, and access to TTS, S2S, voice design, translation into 150+ languages, and audio editing. Creator. $19 per month offers 15,000 seconds, 3 rapid voice clones, 1 professional voice clone, high-definition 48 kHz audio output, voice cloning in 6 languages, and all starter features. Professional. $99 per month provides 45,000 seconds, 20 rapid voice clones, 1 professional voice clone, and all creator features. Scale. $299 per month includes 120,000 seconds, 150 rapid voice clones, 3 professional voice clones, and all professional features, 500 rapid voice clones, 3 professional voice clones, low-latency WebSocket API, and an authorized partner program. Enterprise. Custom pricing, tailored solutions with dedicated support, enterprise SLA, deepfake detection, real-time speech-to-speech, and on-premises deployment options. Regarding voice cloning. Rapid voice clone. Create a voice clone in 1 minute using 10 seconds to 1 minute of audio. Supports TTS only. Professional voice clone. Develop a more accurate clone in 1 hour using approximately 10 minutes of audio. Supports both TTS and S2S and cloning in multiple languages. Resemble.ai also features emotion synthesis, allowing you to add emotional tones like joy, sadness, or anger to voices without additional data. For developers, Resemble.ai offers easy integration via API and supports both cloud and on-premises deployments, ensuring flexibility and scalability. All plans permit commercial use of generated content, making it suitable for various professional applications. If you found this overview helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into AI technologies.